Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So happy new year everyone. It's so nice. I hope everybody had an amazing day celebrating and bringing in the new year. Many blessings to all of you. So I am at Walmart just looking at the little home decor area in the back of the store. And these are all where they keep their accent pieces, and some of this stuff is on clearance. So come on with me guys and let's take a look. Now, Walmart's home decor is absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving their dupes. It's amazing, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.